Hello everyone. In the last video, we have discussed what services are and what is the nature or feature of any kind of service. In this video, we'll be talking about types of services. Services can be broadly classified into three: business services, social services, and personal services. In this video, we'll be discussing about business services. Now, business services, as the name suggests, business services are those services which are being provided to facilitate the functioning of any sort of business enterprise. किसी भी business को run करने के लिए जो से services provide की जाती हैं, वो सारी part होगी business services की. Now, let's try to understand with the help of an example. Let's say if we talk about a biscuit manufacturing firm, अगर हम किसी bakery firm की बात करते हैं, तो उसको run करने के लिए हमें different services चाहिए. Let's say definitely we need banking services for our finance. Also we need transportation services. अब वहाँ पर तो manufacture हो गए हैं, but it reaches to the ultimate customer, it reaches to the ultimate consumer. For that we need transportation services. For storage we need warehouses, warehousing services, and also communication services, so that there are no loopholes, there is proper communication and business run in an effective manner. So all these kind of services are part of your business services. Let's try to understand banking services which are being provided to run any sort of business effectively. You must have seen following type of banks nearby: State Bank of India, ICICI Bank, Reserve Bank of India, Gujarat State Cooperative Bank, and Exim Bank. Now these are the different type of banks. Like State Bank of India is a public sector bank, ICICI is a private sector bank. They both come under commercial bank. Reserve Bank of India, which most of you must be aware of, it is the central bank. Gujarat State Cooperative Bank, it is what type of bank? It comes under cooperative bank. And Exim Bank is a type of your specialized bank. Broadly, banks can be categorized in four categories: commercial bank, central bank, specialized bank, and cooperative bank. Now let's try to understand commercial bank. Usually you visit these banks to avail one or the other facility. These are of two types: public sector banks and private sector banks. Public sector banks, where majority of the stake lies with the government. Let's say if you talk about PNB, SBI. And private sector banks, if you visit Axis Bank, HDFC Bank, or your ICICI Bank, these are what? Private sector bank, where majority of the stake lies with the private players. Now both these kind of banks, commercial banks, are regulated by the central bank, which is Reserve Bank of India, through provisions which have been provided in Banking Regulation Act 1949. Now, whether we talk about public sector bank or private sector bank, these are some general facilities which they provide. The first one is acceptance of deposit. Now, definitely आप बैंक में जाके अपने fund deposit कर सकते हैं. In return, you will get interest for sure, either in the form of current account, saving account, or fixed account. Also, they are what? लेंडिंग ऑफ फंड्स. वो आपको लोन प्रोवाइड करते हैं, ओवरड्राफ्ट की फैसिलिटी प्रोवाइड करते हैं. जैसे कि आपको पता है बैंक क्या है? दे आर बोथ बोरोअर्स एंड लेंडर्स ऑफ मनी. जब वो बोरो कर रहे हैं तो क्या कर रहे हैं? आपको इंटरेस्ट दे रहे हैं, और जब वो आपको फंड्स दे रहे हैं, सो दे आर चार्जिंग इंटरेस्ट फ्रॉम यू. Check facility is there definitely. Also, remittance of funds. Nowadays there is interconnectivity of different branches, so fund transfer is very easy. Allied services. Now what additional services do they provide? They may provide your locker facility. There is facility of paying your insurance premium, buying shares and debentures, buying digital gold, paying different bills. So these are some general functions of commercial bank. The topic we discussed is clear to you. If you have any doubt, please mention in the comment box. If you like the video, please subscribe to the channel and share it with your friends. Keep learning and keep growing.